Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the find function in Excel. So let's say you have a particular table and you want to find specific letters in a particular list. The find option is actually going to help you sort that out. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel in the Microsoft Store. So just launch your Microsoft Store and search for Excel, follow through the on-screen prompt to download the application. And after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to use the find function in Excel. So I'm going to focus on this aspect of the sheet here where I have string, substring, and result. So right here, the strings I have stem supply, stem supply, stem supply, and my substring. I have S, I have T, I have tem, I have up, I have apply. I want to know the number of times this capital letter S, of course, the find feature is case sensitive. So I want to know how many times this number of S applied or can be found in stem supply and T as well, small letter T, and I want to know how many times tem can be found here and up and apply. So this is what to do. So head over to result, and once you click on the cell, of course I want to click on the cell. The next thing I'm going to do is to use the equal option. So I'm going to type in equal, which I have done, and type find and use the open parenthesis, and I'm going to add the figure that this L13, that's the name of this cell, L13 and comma, and I'm going to type in K13, which is where the string is, K13, and I'm going to close this parenthesis, and I'm going to click on enter, and it says 1, so my search result is 1. So the next is T. So for me to, instead of me to go through the process like manually, all right, instead of me to go through the process manually, just like I have done here, and just copy the same formula, that's just use the equals, find, and then enter the name of the cell. Since I've done that here, I cannot apply the same to all that part of the cells. And how do I do that? So I'm just going to move down to the bottom right corner of this cell, and I'm going to drag it down to the other cell and just leave it. So you see, now that's already away. So this is the find. This is how to use the find function. Okay, so you can see this for the S. See how it applies. So you see how this capital letter S applies stem supply if you want to find it, and this T, small letter T, and then you have the tem as well, and you have the up, see how many times that applied, and you have the ply to see how many times ply also applied, so 8. So you have the 1 2 2 6 8. So this is pretty much how you can use the find function in Excel. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.